A brand new update for the Xiaomi 14 and 14 Pro has arrived, and this brings a new optimized portrait mode with the Leica mode and the master mode that you can choose, as well as a new AI enhanced portrait algorithms. So the same that we have on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. And yeah, in this video I want to check this out and show it to you. And by the way, I'm recording with the Xiaomi 14 right now, and I'm not using an external mic because still, sadly, the external mic issue that I reported to Xiaomi still has not been fixed. So we have to rely on those here right now for the rest of this video. So let's check out the portrait shots that you can get with the Leica and the master mode. Just a short demonstration how it looks like if you go to the portrait mode after the update. It will come up with this here where I can choose the master or the Leica portrait style. Let's choose master here. If I want to switch, on the top left there I have a button to switch between the portrait style Leica, or I can go back to the master style. Sadly, what we don't have is the option to choose our focal length here. You just have this predefined settings with documentary, swift bokeh, portrait, and so on. So this is something that they did not carry over from the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. And yeah, here also the beautifying effect I can turn off if I don't like this. And yeah, let's try out some of those styles and see how the photos will look like. Here we have the photos, and we start off with the first photo, which is this one here, actually, the master mode, the new master mode, because I think before we had Leica styles, now it's the master mode. So you can see in this kind of dim lit situation indoors, we have ISO rating 800, f2 here, and we can see a little bit of more metadata here, as you can see here, done by Xiaomi. Nevertheless, what we can see is a bit more yellowish kind of face, so warm kind of colors. When I zoom in, what we can see here, yes, there's a bit of sharpening applied for sure that you can see there. It is not 100% sharp. This is the default settings, by the way, so I'm not sure which focal length this really is. And you will see that also in the metadata. If I show you all the metadata here, it is not writing me down here the focal length. So let's turn it on. So there we go. Focal length in 35 millimeter is 67 millimeter here that we get by default. So you can see that it's not 100% sharp with unevenness in terms of sharpness on my beard. It's basically the same performance that we had before. Now let's go to the Leica style, which is this one here. And what you can see here is different colors. I think I like the Leica style colors of my face a little bit better because it's more realistic. It's a bit more contrasty for sure, and it doesn't look so much processed, like sharpened up, as you can see here. Much finer here in terms of detail. Also, my beard is not like getting sharp completely somehow, or sharpened up on one hand, and on the other hand a bit soft. So this is something to keep in mind here. ISO rating is only 640 here instead of 800, which is also nice. Nice kind of a difference in terms of this one here. Then we have another one here. As you can see here again, this is now 75 millimeter, utilizing the 3.2 times zoom on the Xiaomi 14 Pro that I used here. But believe me, it's basically the same on the 14 as well. Master mode. Again, you see a little bit of this sharpening artificially there going on, a bit of more yellowish kind of face. Not a hell lot of vignetting. f1.2, as you can see here. 75 millimeters, of course, ISO also 800, 1/60th of a second. And then we have the Leica mode, again, a bit more greenish kind of colors. I like the face color a bit more there. It's not doing so much in terms of sharpening. It is like way softer here in this Leica mode, just the way that we had it before. And yeah, my daughter is crying in the background. I should cry as well. It's not a huge improvement, just like on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. I don't see much of improvement here, so not enough that will validate or give me any reason to raise the points for the Xiaomi 14 or 14 Pro here.